Hello guys! Today I have two boxes with brake parts, which is very exciting. This is going on my Vanagon, and this is the 312mm EBC brakes. Let's take a look at them first, and later we'll take a look at the excellent Epytec kit, which you also need to install the brakes. So, this box contains two brake discs, which are very heavy. Let's look at just one of them. This one side. See. Oh la la! This is a heavy item. Looks amazing, eh? It's some kind of anti-corrosion coating on them. And they have this slits to remove brake dust from the discs. Very impressive and massive. Black finish, fantastic looking, and yeah, it should be around 7-8 kilos each disc. Done. Let's take a look at the Epytec, which I have already taken out of the box. This is what you get. You get the two adapters for the caliper. Canon, can you focus? Yes, you can. Excellent. Two thick steel brackets, which are treated in something. Looks like chrome. One big bag of screws with some spacers, screw and nuts. This is the important spacer, because this one, God, this is heavy, fits inside here. And then, of course, the Epytec adapter, which I have now installed new bearing cones inside. This is ready to go in the car. This is really an original Volkswagen brake disc, but they have turned it down on a lathe. So now you're stuck with something that looks like a hub. And now let's see how this looks. One more thing. You need longer studs. This is 60mm studs from Brickworks, which happens to fit exactly into here, of course. So here we need to apply some thread lock to lock the stud in place. Let me just do this in fast motion. And here we go. Then this ring, which is a very nice piece of engineering. It has a chamfer edge. Don't know if Canon can pick this up. Hopefully he can. On both sides. So it slips straight on to the hub with no problems. Bang! And then this disc will fit perfectly onto the hub, thanks to the spacer ring. Amazingly. Rest of the bag is some washers and the big bolts that will fit on the bracket and on the car, and on the caliper, of course. So, as this was just a short preview of what to come, so hopefully you will follow the channel and see when I do the installation of the disc and the hub on the car. I have, of course, provide links for both the adapter and the disc down below. So if you click on the description, you will find it and you can check it out. And you can find the latest prices and so on. Yes. Oh, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching again. Hope to see you soon. Bye.